Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build a pond in Heartopia, where you can like sit around it, I guess. So first you will need to craft these items, the jazz tall stool, which you can get from the like house points grading. I don't remember what it's called because I haven't like graded my house in like a while. Or you can use the rustic stool, which you can purchase from Bob if it is in your store. Those are the two stools that work so far. And you also need to craft the glass table, this one, so you can like put the fishes in there. Okay, you will need to place some low walls. It is 4 by 6, and then place some floors like on this side and that side. Then grab another low wall and put it on this side. And then on, whoops, and on this side as well. You are then going to want to grab some wooden wall sculptures, put it here, and place it like that on both sides. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to delete these floors first, because we're going to put some chairs. And this is where these stools are coming. Wait, where is it? Okay. Make sure it's facing the right way, by the way. So like this side. Then get another one and place it facing that way. So when people sit, they will like face the correct angle, I guess. Like so. Okay. And then, oh, we are going to add some more low walls here on this side. Whoops, too far. And on the other side, oh my gosh, you know what? I'm just going to extend it. On that side, okay. Then we're just going to close everything up. This is why I'm using like the grass, by the way. All right, and then I'm going to add this wooden wall storage like here. You can color it to whatever color you want. I'm trying to like match it best with the like color of the pond. So I'm just going to use blue. You can like use turquoise or any other colors that you choose basically. Why can I, oh, it's, okay, there we go. And you can even change like the color of the like floor if you wanted to. It will kind of be covered anyways, but I suggest doing it like so. And let's change the color of the floors to like something like blue. Okay, not this. My bad. I meant, where's the other one that people use for like fake pools? I don't know. Should I just use pebbles? Is there like blue pebbles? I mean, kind of. Kind of, yeah. Maybe that. You can just, oh, it's this one. I like the pebbles a little bit better. Gives it more pond vibe. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, and then here's where we are going to place the table. I have to like search it every single time because I actually don't know where it is. It's like not in tables for some reasons. So, where is it? Okay, we're just going to place this in the middle of everything. And I'm just going to decorate the whole thing so it looks more like a pond rather than just a table sitting there. So if you want to follow what I do, you can, but I will speed this up so I won't take more of your time. And when you're done building, make sure you put some fishes in there so it looks like a pond, obviously. So I'm just going to do that. Let's put some fishies. I don't really have a lot of options here for small fish, but this is what it looks like, and you can even sit like that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!